ka-chicken banana, guys. Naputo! Hi guys! Macau na! Mga ka-chicken banana outfit. Say, welcome to Paris! Welcome to Paris! Paris OOTD only. Welcome to Paris OOTD. Welcome, Iyakin. And I don't want to be a friend. And I hear those words again. Feeler! Feeler alert! Welcome to Macau Zoo.
And most very busy normally
Day of our field trip.
Now at this time, all those people are sleeping. Yeah, but the casino is still open, but not so many people inside.
Yeah. Day 3 of our field
They would like
trip.
to play at night.
Mga kaklase ko po guys sa aming day 3 of field trip.
So this afternoon, if you go
Nag-aaral
inside
kami sa international school. Ito yung kaklase ko from
It's
Paris.
very big and luxury,
Bonjour.
beautiful, and yeah.
Bonjour.
So, very beautiful. Macau's
My Asian class.
hotel and casinos
Yeah,
are
my
really
Asian.
the top.
Can I see? Can I see how to exchange it?
Oh, sit down, do baby. Sit down, do baby.
How to exchange it?
We're just like ikot like that.
And it's nice that we get a lot of tax income.
Oh, yeah.
So we have for Macau citizen, we have subsidies from the
My
government.
classmate from
Quite good.
my classmate from Vietnam. My classmate from Philippines.
That's why I'm saying to you.
From India. From Malaysia.
They come to work at sales, housekeeping, restaurants, and also inside
Here's my classmate from Paris. The husband of my classmate from Paris.
No, I just stay.
And this is my classmate from Vietnam.
Really stay in Las Vegas. I stay in other places. My friends. Yeah.
Classmates, why don't you listen to our teacher? Yung mga classmates ko.
Sasama ka mamaya o hindi?
Tutulog muna daw siya. They're Asian and I cannot understand what they're saying.
Here is actually the a little bit city center of Macau.
Wow!
You can see
It's nice.
the roads are not so wide as in Taipei, and the traffic is good, getting busy, and sometimes many.
Hey, what is jerky?
Macau is like that. Many different kinds of shops.
Okay. Why you have to call a friend?
Lalo kanyan mga tapa o tipa tatin.
Tita ka ni Zo, malakwan ka Kemi.
Different kinds.
Malakwan ka with
All
KK.
different shops.
Yeah, Zo, malakwan ka with KK. Oh, it's like in Genra Mall. Okay guys, that's Genra Mall's
That one is the pink one is a hospital.
That is
private hospital.
that is AMC Inspired Hospital, guys. AKA. Okay. Paano ako nakuha yan sa vlog ko? Bala ka. Where's Lamig-Mig? Okay, this is inspired to Apo Street. Because it's so masikip. Okay, that's like Watson's or ano, Mercury Drug. Okay, that is inspired to the... Oh, it's Sophia! Zozo and I is in Macau. Okay, me and Bingbing guys are in Macau with our international classmates. Again, I'm gonna introduce you to my bestie from Paris. Paris. From... It's so heavy. My Bingbing is so heavy. Okay guys, so nandito na kami sa nakalimutan kong pakinggan. Anyway, here's my classmate. So nandito kami sa Manawag branch in Macau branch. Here's my mom, my bunso, kapatid, and the KK. So, smile muna tayo guys. Dad, smile muna. Ayun na yun, wala man lang flash. Sino ba nagsabi mag-jacket po? His birthday soon. Okay. Pipicture lang tayo ni Daddy Carlo. You vlog the people, ha? Yan. Dad, pera mo funny chan? Galingan. Wow, ano like that?
Yeah.
No, I will get it and then you can sit there. Ako na lang magtutulak.
Who will follow us? The driver. No, I will follow.
Saan daw to, Dad?
I don't know.
We don't know where, but it's like Holy Rosary sa Angeles City. Yeah? It's nice naman. Tara. Okay. This is Macau, guys. Baba lang kami ni Joe. Ang bagal ni Lola. Naku, ang dami pang sasakyan. Sige, makaya. Ito pala eh. So baka dito na rin yung tabi-tabi? Oo nga. Tingnan mo, kahit si Mala pala yung kasama natin, no, alam niya na yung ano, mga places here. Dad, wag ka na nga. So ano po to, ma'am? Ma'am, wag ka na pumagan. Nandito kami ni ma'am, ni ma'am Cynthia. Naliligaw habang nasa ilalim ng sinag ng araw. Tara na. Okay, Cynthia D in Natawad. Wow, what is it? Ano daw yan? Ano ito? Hindi masarap. Sakay na daw. O tara. Sakay na daw. Kuha ko lang sila. Yan ay pinaka-presentable.
Hindi pa kasabi daw, ano.
Hey guys, so we finished that trip.
Kasi yung one
Hi,
piece service mo lang maubos.
Sissy from Paris. How's the trip with your OOTD?
Ay, nasan yung cat ko, B?
My God, your beret hat.
Pinamigay mo na
So Kiki, how?
Pinapaso-paso na yung
Kiki, what's the taste of your thumb?
Ay, bago luto.
Papagalitan ko na naman yung cakes.
Kung ano mo,
Yung ang aking ampon.
ikaw talaga na, alam mo, nakasama ka lang ng
Okay guys. Guys, pupunta muna kami sa ano. Ay, ang bigat, di ko kaya. Now, featuring Koi K Dry Seafood Store. Konti na lang, koke na. This is my dad. Say hi guys pa. Okay, good. Wow, ang ganda ng store. Pang mayaman, charot. Ang ganda kasi hindi tayo nabibilad. Okay guys. Di naman ako mag-video kasi I'm just gonna shop with my sister. How much po yung nagastos nyo?
Just for $200.
Wow! So, si sir ay nakapag bayan. Kamusta naman po yung Macau experience niya so far?
Very annoying.
I know. Nakakainis. So, in-interview ko Tagalog yung tanong ko in English ako. Sabi ko, kamusta naman yung Macau experience mo? Alin?
Wala mo siya dyan nasa pangalan nila wala sa Pilipinas.
Ito,
Baka kunwari nasa Dow Plaza lang.
Bakit ang background ni pa?
ewan ko ba?
Bakit?
Oh, ang papangat ng itsura ng mga pagka. Sorry na. No offense.
Hindi, buong ganyan yung store.
Ayan yung idea ng vlogger. So annoying.
Dala si baby, makita sa vlog.
Che, tinanong ko si Pa, kamusta ba yung experience niya sa Macau? Tapos ini-English niya ako, it's annoying. Lahat ng tanong ko Tagalog, sagot niya English.
Kakainis. Bakit?
Shisha! Shisha! For the 5:15.
Kamusta na kaya sila?
I know. They are concerned sa mga paghawak.
Inisip mo ba kung kakasya pa yan ng
Yun nga, te, kaya sigurado ako, mapupunta lang sa inyo so hindi na ako magbabayad.
Mamayang gabi,
Oo nga, magpapack na tayo. Hoy, mag-impake na tayo mamayang gabi. Uuwi na tayo bukas, guys. Baka nakakalimutan nyo. Shishe! For this wonderful trip. Okay, guys. This has been a very unforgettable trip. It's so full of lessons learned. Our bonding became closer. Our relationship. Maybe. Oh no! Hi! Say hi to my vlog! Say hi! Say hi, guys! Okay, babalik na po tayo sa bus. At nagkautang po tayo ng 550 Hong Kong dollars. Bye, guys! Venetian Mall, I think. Yeah, the Venetian Arena. It's a mall in Macau. I don't know. It smells like Saudi. Haha. Oops! Yung car mo, Chen! hirap i-drive ng car ni Ethan, guys. Batcha coffee, what's that? Yay! May upuan na kami, guys. Hi, guys! We are in Italy. Charot! Of Macau. Okay. Sing a song. Make it simple to last your. That's it runs in our blood.
Starting to go to the ferry terminal.
Open your mouth.
And then when we arrive there, I will assist you to get the ticket. Yeah, the e-ticket
Pabili
is
pa lang ako, time's up na daw.
and then you place some weight in
Kita mo yung ano.
Grabe, ang kakarang.
This is the higher end, even the higher level.
Ito ang hirap i-piece. Hindi pa monkey.